Welcome to the Muslim Empowerment. Let's talk today about the evolutionist's myth of homology. Structural similarities between different species are called homology in biology. Evolutionists try to present those similarities as evidence for evolution. Darwin thought that creatures with similar, homologue, organs had an evolutionary relation with each other and that these organs must have been inherited from a common ancestor. According to his assumption, both pigeons and eagles had wings, therefore, pigeons, eagles, and indeed all other birds with wings were supposed to have evolved from a common ancestor. Homology is a deceptive argument advanced on the basis of no other evidence than an apparent physical resemblance. This argument has never once been verified by a single concrete discovery in all the years since Darwin's day. In no layer of the earth has anyone come up with a fossil of the imaginary common ancestor of the creatures with homologue structures. Furthermore, what makes it clear that homology provides no evidence that evolution has occurred is that we find homologue organs in creatures of completely different species among which evolutionists have not been able to establish any sort of an evolutionary relationship. Wings are an example. In addition to birds, we find wings on bats, which are mammals, on insects, and even on some dinosaurs, which are extinct reptiles. Not even evolutionists posit an evolutionary relationship or kinship among those four different classes of animals. Another striking example is the amazing resemblance and structural similarity observed in the eyes of different creatures. For example, octopus and man are two extremely different species between which no evolutionary relationship is likely even to be proposed, yet the eyes of both are very much alike in terms of their structure and function. Not even evolutionists claim that man and octopus had a common ancestor to account for their similar eyes. These and numerous other examples confirm that the evolutionist claim that homologue organs prove that living species have evolved from a common ancestor has no scientific basis. In fact, homologue organs should be a great embarrassment for evolutionists. The famous evolutionist Frank Salisbury's confession revealed in his statements on how extremely different species came to have very similar eyes underscores the impasse of homology. Even something as complex as the eye has appeared several times, for example in the squid, the vertebrates, and the arthropods. It's bad enough accounting for the origin of such things once, but the thought of producing them several times according to the modern synthetic theory makes my head swim. Thank you for watching this episode of the Muslim Empowerment. If you enjoyed and learned something new and you want more like this video, then like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.